Hello, today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph Housing Market Stats for the second quarter of 2019. In general, the housing market is still extremely strong in Guelph, with one exception, and we'll get into that later in the video, but let's take a look at some of the key metrics below. Median sale price was $520,000, which represents a 5.9% increase. Median days on market was 15 days, which remains flat relative to the same quarter last year. The total number of sales increased by 10.1%, and the total number of listings increased by 7.5%. As you can see, the housing market in Guelph is still very strong right now. Sellers are obtaining top dollar for their homes, but there's a good amount of inventory out there for buyers. So we're still in a seller's market, but buyers can get in and buy the homes that they want. With that said, I did mention that there's one metric that stands out right now, and that's the sale of condo apartments. Condo apartments were actually down by 5.6% when we're looking at median sales price relative to the second quarter of last year. So for those first-time buyers out there, maybe downsizers who are looking for a condo apartment, now may be an excellent time to enter the market or to downsize to that apartment. If you want to take a look at the full stats and metrics for the second quarter, please click the link below. We'll have it all laid out for you, and if you'd like to talk about the market in more detail, or if you're thinking about buying or selling later this year, please give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.